everybody, this is a video on how I stretch either my cotton or linen fabric to create my canvases. I use canvas pliers. I have a little electric stapler. First, when I start, I make sure to staple in opposite directions. So here I just switched over because I had started at the top right and I needed to staple on the bottom left to make sure that my tension was good. I keep going around and round until I have a pretty solid base. To do my corners, I right now you're seeing me doing stapling one side. You saw the staple on the other side. That was a mistake, and you will see that I will need to remove that. The way that I fold my corners, when the staples are too close, it does not work nicely. So I had to remove that one staple. And of course I didn't have the proper tool near me, so I just used a flathead screwdriver and it did not come out nicely. You'll see the staple breaks. If this happens to you, just make sure you hammer the edges back in so you don't get cut. Mine was pretty close to the edges, so I didn't worry about it, but you'll see the little staple edges are in there, and those hurt. So I fold, I don't know how to explain this, but you'll see I fold first sort of a halfway 90-degree angle, and I staple it there to keep the tension again in that corner. Then I will fold again until the edge is flat. I do not like it when I can see the cotton edges on the other side when I'm looking at the painting, so I'm pretty fussy about my corners. When it's pre-stretched canvas, I will inspect quite a few of them before I pick the one I like. So in this, I folded over. I did leave a lot of fabric on the sides for this one, so it caused me some issues. When I had to use the pliers, I had to fold my fabric over a few times to make sure I had a good grip. So I always staple right after I do that side, and I staple back on. You saw me take off earlier. I have to put that one back in to make sure I keep the tension steady. My process to make sure that I have it stretched properly, it's easy. I drum. If it has a good drumming sound, it's pretty good. And then what I will do is use my fingers and pass it along. If I don't feel any bumps, then I know it's properly stretched. If I feel bumps, I will add staples. It normally means that I have too much of a gap. So this is my stretch canvas. This one's 48 by 36, and it will be painted very soon for a special commission. So I hope you liked my little video. I will share more later. Subscribe please. Thank you.